Hadian baka Queen Elizabeth kalaklatno mencem snem, mynta sngi ukhuan benengkong jongka kata syiem Charles, ula sya pynsleh ha Bishop ka Church of England, mynta sngi balapan bam smai ru u ha keju kapor. Syiem Charles ula smai ru, da kababat ya ka Bible ba untrei badri ya ka jingen kum udukhat bayaine jong kabalang Protestant.
Will you, to the utmost of your power, maintain in the United by law? Will you maintain and preserve inviolably the settlement, and will you preserve unto the bishops and clergy of England and
the things which I have herebefore promised? I, Charles, do solemnly and sincerely, in the presence of God, profess, testify, and declare that I am a faithful Protestant, and that I will, according to the true intent of the enactments which secure the Protestant succession to the throne, uphold and maintain the said enactments to the best of my powers according to law.